right, hey, thanks everybody for watching. Here it is. She's all done. Everything's made out of 2x6s that I milled down to 4 7/8 by 1 3/8, and then laminated those together to make all the blocks. Super sturdy. I originally intended on putting a bottom on this down here and then filling that with sand, and then I'll put some plywood on top of that for a little shelf storage. I don't know if I'm going to need to. I did run it and there's like no vibration, so I'm pretty happy with it now. I definitely want to put a ledge on there just to have a storage space. I think it'd be a good spot for blanks and stuff like that I start to accumulate and things to turn. So I'm really happy with it. It's a Harbor Freight lathe, but to learn on and get some experience, $255 I think it was with the 20% off coupon. So that's pretty good deal. I'm happy with that. I did turn a stupid little, I don't know where I put it now. I had some blanks left over, some lengths of stuff left over from building the entertainment console in my house, just some ash. And I threw that on there just to turn and see. Oh, there it is. And so it does work. Obviously nothing to be super impressed by. It's just a dumb little square that turned into a dowel in the middle there. So just to play with it and see if it worked. And she does. So I'm happy. I cannot wait to really start getting into turning some different things. I know for sure I want to do some pens and some bowls, and one of the handles on my drill press here broke a while back, so I'll make some new handles for that. I've got a chunk of mahogany I think I'm going to use for that. So anyway, that's it. Yeah, 2x6 is all glued up, plywood top. She works like a charm. I'm happy. Not thrilled with my mortise and tenons, how they turned out, but it was the first time I'd ever done them. So live and learn. I think I picked up a few tips along the way of things I would do differently in the future, but she's not going anywhere, so that's all that matters. Take care.